So you would have heard the news recently that Yotpo is sunsetting their email and SMS and switching over to Attentive and OmniSend. If you're wanting to move away from Yotpo, now is the time to transfer everything, and my suggestion would be to move to Klaviyo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually do that migration. And the sooner that you do it, the sooner that you can start warming up the new account and get ready for the upcoming Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, and all of that sort of thing. Because you do need to warm your account before sending campaigns for such a big event. So what you need to do is set up your Klaviyo account if you don't have one already. So I've got my account here. They do suggest that you have your sign up forms ready to go. So I've got a sign up form here that I've created. If you want to have an embedded form on your website that's not a Shopify one, then have that set up as well. That just means as soon as you've transferred over your subscribers, you can switch everything on and it's ready to go, and there's going to be no delay between the two. So setting up that form in here. Then we're going to, you can set up any flows that you have in Yotpo, get that all ready as well. Once we're on the Yotpo dashboard, we're going to click on the little icon up here, which is the account icon. Go to account settings, and we will need to grab the API key and secret key from this section. So this is your API app key. So we're going to copy that one, and then we're going to go back over to Klaviyo and have a search under integrations for the Yotpo app. So we'll go explore, and then we will search Yotpo and install this one. So we'll pop in our app key here, and then we need to grab the secret key. So we'll go back to our Yotpo settings, and then we'll click on Get Secret Key. So that's been emailed to us. So I'm just going to go to my emails. Okay, so I've been emailed a code. So I'm just going to paste that in there and submit that. And then it's going to give me a code here. So I'm going to copy that to clipboard and then go back over to Klaviyo and pop that one in there and connect. Okay, so we'll allow that. Okay, so now that it's popped in the tokens, we're going to come down and we'll select our main newsletter list, but select whichever one in Klaviyo you're wanting to use. You do need to set up SMS before you do the migration if you're using SMS in Yotpo. So if you want to then transfer your SMS subscribers to Klaviyo, make sure in Klaviyo you set up the SMS platform first, and then we're going to complete setup. So that is all done, and it's syncing. So that will take a little while depending on how many subscribers you have. So I've just set up like a dummy list here, but that's already transferred. Once we're happy that everything is all set up in Klaviyo and the integration is all working well, all of the data's migrated across, we can come over to Yotpo and turn off all of our forms. So we go into Audience, Subscriber Collection Tools, and we go down to My Tools down the bottom, click on the three little dots and edit. Then we're going to switch. You would have this live if that was your current form for collecting subscribers. So all you need to do is just switch that to draft and save as draft. Come back over into Klaviyo, open up your form and switch that one to live. So that's automatically changing where your subscribers are going once they're received through the pop-up form. This is not an ongoing sync between Klaviyo and Yotpo. This is a one-time thing. So if any new subscribers go through the form, go through a Yotpo form on the website, they won't automatically sync over to Klaviyo. So it's really important that you switch off those forms and switch on the Klaviyo forms as soon as you've done the migration.